Hello there, once again welcome to this online tutorial. Now today we want to look on how to change this color. You can see we have our drawing area is in white, so how can we change it to black, which or another color? So basically what you do, click on letter A for AutoCAD, go to options. Now once you're in options, click here colors. Click that colors, and now there are quite a number of colors here. You can choose from them. So click on this. So you select, we have red. So you can select red, and you see it's changing here. So you can keep an eye, check how this one here keeps on changing. As red, yellow, green, all these colors, and even you can select more colors, the one you want. So all those colors, you can select them. But now for us, we want to use black. So select black, apply and close, then click OK. So you've changed the background color. Thank you.